Hi guys. So in preparation for the upcoming exams, I decided to make this video where I look at and go through all the past papers that have been written and have been created by the IEB about Donker Web. So the most recent one is the May 2025 one, and then we're going to go all the way back to the first one, and that was written November 2023. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go through question one, two, three. I'm going to take a topic, for example, Greg's family, and then I'm going to go through the first paper and see where do they ask questions about the family, and then what questions do they ask. So these videos will be in parts, otherwise it's going to be too long. I'm going to read the question immediately. I'm going to translate it in my head into English. Otherwise, if I read in Afrikaans, then translate into English, it's going to be too long. Well, we're going to see how it goes. You are welcome to pause the video to see the exact Afrikaans wording, of course, but I will also put the link of the website where I got these papers and the memos from. You can also just go and get it, but I will put that in the description. Let's go. In this video, we are looking at questions about Zander and Ayla, Blank, and the Pakkies. Okay, questions about Zander and Ayla, May 2025. At vraag 2, 2.5. Where do they meaning Greg and Planck, go and stay once Xander forgave them? And the answer is, hulle gaan bly by Ayla. 2.6. Choose the correct answer. Hoe probeer Xander en Greg om die beker op te spoor? How are Xander and Greg trying to look for the baker? Where are they trying to look for the baker? And the answer is C. Hulle het 'n advertensie geplaas. They put out an advertisement saying that they are looking for gifstof, poison. And then 2.7. Why was Xander angry with Greg when he found out about the gebrande book in his bag? He is angry that Greg is keeping secrets from him and it seems like he does not trust him, or that he lied to him. Or you can say, there's important leidraad, important clues in the gebrande boek. Now, November 2024, vraag 3. It's the dialoog. Remember, this is not a real conversation that took place. This is not a real scenario in the book. They are just using these two characters for the question. And the mom is asking questions to Xander. Question 3.8. Why did you compare yourself to the legend of Prometheus? And he answered because he felt bad about their family, because he saw what it did to them when the family was ripped apart. In 3.9, what did you mean by the palindroom? And remember that weird palindroom. What were you trying to tell Greg? So the answer is, was ook die sondes af, nie net jou gesig nie. So this is the literal meaning. Wash the sins, not only your face. And it is for 2 marks. And Greg had to confess that his dad was the reason that Xander had a broken life and a broken family. Or Greg had to admit that he was very privileged growing up and that Xander had a difficult time and it was all his fault. Now, next question, 3.5. This is also a conversation asking Greg questions about Xander. So, why did Xander tell you to throw away or to destroy your computer and your cell phone before you went to Turkey? And he said, ek moes dit vernietig omdat dit baie inligting opgehad het, because it had information. So this seems stupid, but basically it had info on it and I had to destroy it. What is the name of the girl where you guys went to stay? The answer is Ayla. The question is, you said her parents work for Doctors Without Borders, but why can't she speak Afrikaans? The answer is her dad was South African. And then 3.8. You told me that someone sent you a notebook. Why was Xander angry when you didn't tell him about the notebook? So we've had this question before. The answer is either he felt that he was keeping info from him, or because it had chemische formules. Xander het die chemische formules herken. Xander recognized the formulas and that it was important. So the second time that we had this question. Now, May 2024. This is part of the SA. Greg and Xander. Do you think Xander was a good friend to Greg? Motivate your answer by referring to one specific example. So if you said, you can say yes, because he helped him to look for the baker so that the baker can pay for what he did, or no, he ruined his family. Then the next bullet point. What is the one thing that Greg and Xander have in common in terms of their families? So both Xander and Greg will now have to not grow up because they're already adults, but continue their life without their dads in their life. So Xander manipulated Greg in his matric year. Why then do you think Greg contacted Xander to help him look for the baker? So the answer is he knew Xander had information about the Donkerweg. Okay, that's the first thing. He had a lot of information. Xander is the first person that told him about what was going on. And then the second part is he hoped that Xander might already know who the baker is. Then, why do you think that Xander not trust Greg in the beginning of their search for the baker? And the answer is because he knows that Greg had every right to either try and catch him or hand him over to the police or just get revenge for everything that Xander did to him and his family. And then November 2023, vraag 2. Where did Greg and Plank have to meet Xander the first time in Istanbul? And the answer is Basilica Cisterna. So the note here in the memo is you're not allowed to say the Hagia Sophia Museum, Basilica Cisterna. 2.3. Xander gives Greg a new cell phone. What did Xander find out when he tried to log on to the cell phone? Or when he told Greg to log on to the cell phone? The answer is he immediately realized that the transponder was not in Greg's hand. 2.4. Pick the correct answer. Wie het vir Xander oortuig? Who convinced Xander to help Greg? And the answer is Ayla. And then 2.5. What did Greg and Xander fight about? After Xander was prepared to give Greg a chance and to help him look for the baker. So I feel like this is kind of a weird question because it's so vague, but the answer says both of them think that their dads is the bad guy, or the answer is they fight about their dads. Oh, now I remember they had this big fight, oor en weer, about their dad. Okay, now we're going to look at questions about Plank. Let's start with May 2025. Okay, so here we have a paragraph question. And the intro says Xander gave rules to Plank for when he goes out alone. That is in Istanbul. The first bullet point says, how did Plank disobey 2 rules that Xander gave him and which led to the baker's men and finding out, or the baker finding out where they are? Okay, so what did he do wrong? He became friends with Camden and he told Camden about them. And he used Camden's cell phone to phone Lisa. And he told Camden where they live. Okay, Camden, die straatsmous of die groente verkoper. Second bullet point. What happened that they had to flee? Okay, so what happened? Die baker se manne daag by hulle woonstel op om hulle te vang. So this sounds like a difficult question. So what happens that caused them to flee? The men arrived at their flat and wanted to catch them. Second last bullet point. How did Xander punish Plank eventually for every time, for all the messing up? And the answer is he's not allowed to flee with them to Florence. And the last one, what happened to Plank after Xander, Ayla and Greg left? Hy word deur die baker se mense gevang. He was caught by the baker's men. Now, November 2024. At vraag 3, there's a question. Hoe het die mense geweet waar julle bly? So obviously the questions before this was all about what they did to catch the baker, etc. Now the question is, how did the baker's men knew where you were? And the answer is, Planck found Lisa from Camden's phone. He became friends with him, and he told him where we lived. So now is the second time that this question comes up. So very important. The reason why did the men know where they are? It's those things that Planck did wrong. Now, May 2024, it is the essay question, paragraaf A, Greg en Planck. But this one is a little bit about what Planck did wrong, but also just like the history of Planck and Greg. So let's start. Waar het Greg en Planck mekaar ontmoet? Where did the two of them meet? At Lawson College. Planck is already in his second year. Why is he living in a koshuis? So the answer, Planck is living in the same koshuis as his dad when his dad was a student. So it is a traditie, a tradition. Why did Greg give Planck a key to his flat? Now this sounds like a weird question, simple question, and the answer is simple. Sodat Planck daar kan uithang. Planck goes to Turkije with Greg. What does Planck do during the day while Greg and Xander are on the computers? So again, it sounds like a stupid question. What does he do? Hy besoek toeristeplekke. He's a tourist. He looks at touristy places. Hy koop geskenke, he buys presents, en hy gesels met straatverkopers. He talks to the people that sells these things. By wie hoor Planck? By wie hoor Planck? So who tells Planck that someone is asking questions about die Suid-Afrikaners? Who tells him that? Camden. The answer is Camden. Okay, so last one. Why did Greg have to leave Planck in Turkije when they were fleeing to Italy? The answer is Xander forced Greg to choose between Planck and because Planck is putting them in danger the whole time. Now, November 2023, the first paper. Vraag 3, there's a question. So this is at the dialoog question. And the question says, Dirk says, in watter stad het julle Planck gelos? So first question, in what city did you leave him? En hoekom is julle kwaad vir hom? Why are you angry with him? So the first one, where did they leave him? In Istanbul. And see, there's an A. And why are you angry with him? He got them into trouble by phoning Lisa, or you can say because the police are now looking for them. They are now on their trail. Okay, now we're going to look at specific questions about the pakkies. So May 2025. So 2.1. What are in the two pakkies that Xander sent to Greg after Greg asked Xander to help him? So, what are in the two pakkies for 2 marks? So, one, a skootrekenaar, a laptop. And the second one, 'n inspuiting met, or you can just write a transponder or a microscope. A transponder, easy peasy. In 2.3, what does Greg ask his neighbor, Chloe, to help him with? And remember, it's something about the pakkies. So he asked her om 'n foto te manipuleer of verander, or it's easy, doctor in English, vir doctor foto, you can say in Afrikaans, of om die foto te dokter, so that it looks like the transponder is in his hand. That is what he asked Chloe to help him with. Then 2.3. Why did Greg not follow the instructions? Why did Greg not follow Xander's instructions about the two pakkies, and more specifically about the transponder? And the answer is, so the first one says Greg doesn't like needles. Then B, Planck took it before him and put it in his hand. Yes. Planck spring hom voor en plant it in sy hand. Let's see. Chloe tries to do a project. No, that's not correct. And Greg wants to go to a tattoo shop. No. So the answer is no. Planck put it in his hands first. So then, November 2024, there's actually nothing about this, but just the pakkies. May 2024, Greg receives a transponder to biohack himself. But that's not the question. Why did Planck not feel any pain when he put the transponder in his hand? Hy het dagga gerook. Hy was op dwelms of hy was hoog op dwelms. So easy peasy dagga, very easy Afrikaans word. Do not write marijuana, do not write weed. Hy het dagga gerook. Then November 2023, there they ask a whole paragraph questions about the parties. Let's have a look. So, what video did Greg send to Xander that made him decide to help Greg? And that is the video of Tom. Tom being dead in the river, the police taking his body out from the river. Now they speak about the pakkies themselves. Wat was in die eerste pakkie? What was in the first package? Die skootrekenaar. So if you were confused about which one was first, the second question gives it away. What was in the second pakkie that had the words dangerous things on? So if you weren't sure, the second one, dangerous things, gives it away. A laptop is not dangerous. So a transponder or a NALD, but you can only say one thing. They say a transponder. That was in the second one. What did Greg have to do with this dangerous things package? Hy moet die transponder in sy hand implant. So implant, easy again, Afrikaans and English. Did Greg do what was asked? Motivate your answer. No. So that is the first thing is no. So either he asked Chloe to manipulate a photo or to doctor the photo. Or the second one, no, because Plank put it in his hand. And then the bullet points there at the bottom. Greg kry Xander se video op die nuwe skootrekenaar. So, this is going to help you. You might be confused. You might think they're talking about the video that Xander sent Greg about his dad's execution. But they're saying on the new laptop. So, and then the question is, wat beveel Xander vir Greg om met sy eie rekenaar te doen? So never just stop after the first part and think, oh, I think this is the answer. Read the second part. Now they say, or they ask, what is he telling? What is he demanding him to do with his own laptop? En hy moet sy rekenaar vernietig. Easy peasy, vernietig. Why does he tell him to do that with his computer? Sodat niemand hom kan volg nie, so that no one can follow him. And then the last one. Xander stuur vir Greg 'n vliegtuigkaartjie. Xander sends Greg 'n plane ticket. But waarom moet Plank ook saamgaan? Why does Plank need to go with him? Because Plank has the transponder in his hand that Greg needs to open or to activate the laptop. Okay, these videos are broken up. Otherwise, it will be very long. So go to the next one to learn about the next topics and next question. Okay, guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.